Today we're shining the spotlight on caffeine. It's a big part of many people's mornings, but too much can cause some big problems. So here's our top tips to help you cut back. Number 3, look for an alternative to your morning cup of coffee. Switch up your routine and reach for uncaffeinated tea or water. That way you won't feel like you're missing out. Number 2, pay attention to where your caffeine is coming from. Read the labels of your food and beverages and keep a journal. Identifying caffeine sources can help you track where you need to make some changes in your day. And number 1, make sure you're getting enough water. Dehydration can add to fatigue, which will only increase the urge to reach for caffeine. Getting enough water is a great way to fight fatigue and keep your caffeine intake low. For more health hacks, just head to our website, livinghealthytv.com. Do you want more Living Healthy content? Well, check out these videos right here, and then subscribe for more right here.